For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the.
All right, guys, what is up? I would say good morning. I don't know when you're watching this, but it is a good morning here. We're in Coburn, Virginia, Twin River Raceway. It is gorgeous morning, 40-some degrees. It's going to be about 60-something today. We've got quite a few cars. Looks like some more cars have shown up overnight. Going to be pretty awesome. We got Jacob Mitchell, Avery Hansen, Michael McCoy. Bunch of small tire guys should be here. Hopefully be a good race. And me and Steve's gonna run street driven. I'm gonna run street raced, and so today's gonna be fun. We got me and Cashy. We did find us a hotel, so if you ever come to Twin River, there is some hotels in the Norton and Wise area that's only like 10 minutes away. There's Walmart, Royal King, all kinds of stuff, just a short drive. So although you feel nice and remote and it's gorgeous, we got a really pretty creek, and there's a fire pit and all kinds of stuff. You're still not very far away from getting stuff if you have any issues with cars or you need snacks or whatever, which by the way, they've got like shaved ice here today, 2 barbecue things. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a real good time. So it's gonna be packed out. The what? Yeah, it's not open yet. So we got some donuts and different things, so let's get to it. So 5th pair, right lane. I'm gonna show you the truck we're running. See what we got here.
Is this y'all? I don't know yours. Is this y'all? No.
It's right here, black jacket.
Black jacket?
Yeah. Right there in black jacket. Sweet. Twins. Nice. Awesome looking. Very cool. Alright. Let's get over here and see what we can do. I'd love to pull off a win. I haven't had a first round win since like October, so, or sometime, I don't remember. Here we go.
Kenny, cut my GoPro on. Baby! Yeah, baby! Front line. It's good. It ain't gonna make too much of a difference. He needs to stop. All right, guys. So we've got first pair, second round against Adrian Whitson, a buddy of ours out of North Carolina, which sucks. So, but at least one of us gets to go on a little farther. So hopefully we luck up and win and just have a good race with Adrian. But we're gonna have ourselves a good time either way. Old Cashton has gotten more merch, and he got like 3 different things for Bang the Light, all kinds of stuff. So, all right, let's get to it. Now that, my friends, was a race. I think he may have gotten me by about a fender, and that was a race. I accidentally shifted from first to third, but it wouldn't have mattered at all. I don't think that really made any difference. So it was a good pass. Fun race. Fun. Just so this is what we got beat by. Little dirt track 305 355 street car, full interior, cage wrapping around the dash, clean, getting rear-ended at the Pals drive-in. I mean, heavy street wheels. Those are legal for the street too. Just little full doors. That's it, man. I mean, it's just wicked. It looks so good, man. Josh, right? Josh did an absolutely killer job on it. It is so clean. Love it. I love it. It's an honor to get beat by you, sir.
Like best buddies.
That's it, man. I love it. I love it. Awesome. Let's go watch a little more. We can go ahead.
Get on, son! Woo!
Steve, do you want first or second? First? He'll do first. Let's go. Straight. First, we'll go first.
Hey, tell him to purge that real quick. Tell him to purge again. Purge again. Run out. All right. Tell him to purge again.
That's good. It's good.
There you go, kid. Go back. Let me hear it. That's a race. Right lane is your winner. Right.
boy. That's it. That's it. He's dead on. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's good.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We didn't have a great showing. Everybody from our camp won first round, and Steve and Adrian both made it into the semifinals. And so we did pretty good. All in all, it was an awesome time at Twin River Raceway in Coburn, Virginia. Go ahead and go give their Facebook page a like and hit up some of their events. They're going to have a bunch coming in the future, and really excited to see what they got going on at this little track in the coming months and years. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Always hit that subscribe button and like the video.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the